Welcome to our vlog! For today's video, we will present the differences of love. So now you are watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow and like to our video. Iba't uri ng kilig. Ganda! Ganda! Ganda na! Kung saan pinakawitan bebe. And for today's video, ang gagawin namin ngayon ay kakanta ako, dudugtungan nila. For today's video.
Daka naman kayo rin! Ang kung saan ka ni pinakalitan nga words, ilain ako mga kanta.
Hindi. Sugpunan ka lang dyan eh.
Sugpun, Barise.
Puyo ay puyo.
Sa Islam mo tropiko.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I did too much. But when I think of you, alone is with you. Your touch, you whispered in my ear.
Words that are all the same.
Words only you hear.
You're mine.
I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made a move with you.
Si Rinjin.
Cause right now, I know that you feel the way that and I whisper this word as still lying here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These words, they could change our life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Say I don't feel like that you finally find the car deep inside. It's the walk right up to your door, but my body can't move it. I finally got you like 1,000 times before. Nearly down, he handed me this letter, and I hope this finds a way into your heart. It's it. I love you. Pantropiko, pantropoke.
Take down. Ayaw basaha. Sumasaya.
1, 2, 3, go. Bawat araw ay sumasaya. Luwat. Araw mas sumasaya pag ika'y nakita. Araw mas sumasaya magmula nang nakita ka. Mawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Pantropiko, sa Islam, pantropiko. Araw ay mas masasaya. laging lubos-lubos. At parang hindi nangyari ang dati. Ganito, nalaki palagi.
Meron yan.
Meron. Ano po, please ko magpensya. May away di pa ko. Bakit ko sikot-sikot para bang pinapaikot ko talaga. Mag-gets ano ba talaga ang next movie? Gusto ko lang naman na. Ano ba dahil? Say now, it's not too late. I'm ready to be called your princess.
Panoodin na